The following problem asks us to find the x and the y intercepts for the line given below. Then we are asked to graph the line by plotting the intercepts that we have found. So recall that the strategy to use for this problem is to use this pre-filled table. So it should always have two zeros along the diagonals, 0 and 0. And remember that we have two cases. Case number 1. Okay, in this case, x is always equal to 0 because this is the y-intercept. And then case 2, again, this is all based on the table. Y equals 0, and this is our x-intercept. So in case number 1, we will fill in a 0 for x. So we have negative 2 times 0 plus 6y equals negative 12. Negative 2 times 0 is 0. So we have 6y equal to negative 12. We divide both sides by 6, and we obtain y equals negative 2. So we have obtained our y coordinate, and we fill that in on our table. In the second case, we have y equals 0, so instead of writing y here, we will substitute 0 for y. We have negative 2x plus 6 times 0 equal to negative 12. Now recall in this case that 6 times 0 is 0, so then we will just be left with negative 2x equal to negative 12. Now we divide both sides by negative 2, and we notice that x equals positive 6, so we will fill this in. So now we have our values for both x and y respectively, so that we can plot our intercepts. So now we will plot the points on our coordinate plane. Our y-intercept is 0, negative 2, so we'll start at the origin 0 and go down to negative 2. Our x-intercept is at 6, 0, so again we'll start at the origin, we'll go over to 6, and we won't move anywhere up or down, so we'll stay there at 0. We will then connect our dots, and we see that we have found both the x and the y-intercepts. And recall again that this is the point at which the line intercepts the x-axis, that's the x-intercept, and the point at which the line intercepts the y-axis is the y-intercept.